Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what you see here is I got the case half nuts. I've got those on just wrench tight, not torqued up to the proper torque or anything. Basically, just a little bit more than finger tight. I have these string apparatuses hooked up so that the rods don't go crashing into the cylinder bores. And I just want you guys to witness, so that it doesn't become an issue later, what is seen, felt, heard, etc. I have the fan just kind of put onto the snout here. Hold up this one rod here. Let me turn off the music so you guys can... Okay. Silence in the peanut gallery. Turns over very smooth. Looking and listening in here, I do not see or hear anything that's making noises. I don't hear anything clunking. There's no tight spots. It's very, very smooth. But, keep in mind that this is all, jury rigged up right now. If you guys hear a little tiny scrape right now, it's just this rod on this side where my finger is holding it. I'm not lifting it up all the way enough, I think. Let me adjust it and see if I can get it to go away. It's just the rod sagging and kind of dragging on the cylinder as it goes through here, on the cylinder wall. Okay. Now, let's try. The silence is deafening. I probably shouldn't have done that. Alright, well, as far as I can see, or hear, there's nothing wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and start torquing up the case half bolts to their nuts, to the proper torque. And we'll see what happens then.